Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be throwing it back and I'm going to be doing a Wantable unboxing. And the reason I say throwing it back is because if you have been with me since I started my channel, I did a lot of unboxings at the beginning, especially Wantable unboxings. They were so much fun and I've continued to get the box pretty much either the style edit or the fitness edit, but today I'm going to be doing the style edit for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing it. Actually, I've already seen what's in it because I didn't know when I would be able to film this video, so I looked at it before I filmed the video because I couldn't wait. The anticipation was killing me, and you guys, I have some good stuff to show you. If you've never heard of Wantable before, it is a subscription clothing service that sends clothes to your doorstep. You fill out a style profile kind of quiz online on their site, and that just helps them to get to know your style better, and the more boxes that you get, the better that they kind of get your style. You can also link your Pinterest board to it, that way they can kind of get an idea of what kind of outfits you like and then send you clothing that's kind of similar in your box. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box, and if you are interested in ordering a Wantable box, definitely check out the link below. It will take you directly to their site. You can order a box, and then if you don't like what's in it, you just ship it right back. I'm going to show you what I have, and then I'm also going to try it on. So I'm definitely feeling some throwback vibes right now because it has been so long since I've done one of these unboxings. It's kind of like, I don't know, just kicking it old school today. So this is what the box looks like, and it is so exciting when it comes to your house because it is like Christmas in a box. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull random things out of the box and then show you guys and then give you my honest feedback about what I think about all of these. So first of all, I've got this top. It is a black and white just a regular tank top. The material is really soft and buttery. And then oh okay, it doesn't have a pocket. I thought it had a pocket right there. So it is by the brand Z Supply, and it's pretty long. It's not like too long, so I would definitely just wear it with like jeans or shorts, especially for the summer here in Texas. This shirt is, okay, so this is a medium, $40. It is a really good, nice material, and probably like a good staple for your wardrobe. $40, I don't know about that. I feel like I might be able to find something a little bit similar for $40, but it is a really nice top that I think would last you a while. So I don't know, we'll see when I try it on what I think about it. I have not tried these clothes on, I just looked at them, so that might change my mind. If it makes me look super skinny, it might be worth $40. Next shirt. This is by Michael Stars, and I've never owned anything by Michael Stars, but if my memory or if my intuition is correct, Michael Stars is a very expensive brand, so I'm betting that this shirt is not going to be cheap. So it's this white top with the cutouts on the shoulder, which is really cute. I love white. I love basic t-shirts, so this is definitely right up my alley. The cutouts just give it a little bit of an extra detail, and I don't know, it's a really nice top to have. It's kind of wrinkled because it's probably been sitting in the box for a while, but yeah, the price is a little bit much for what I would spend out of my pocket personally for a white t-shirt. Okay, it's cute. Is it $88 cute? I'll leave that up to you guys to decide. There is another shirt. This is a hot pink shirt. Now, I don't normally wear hot pink a whole lot. It's not a color that I just like gravitate to. If I'm gonna wear pink, I usually wear like a light pink, like a blush color, something a little bit more neutral. But I think for the summer with a nice pretty tan, this would actually be really pretty. The top looks very flattering. It's kind of like a longer tank, which I usually need because I have a very long torso. And then it is like V-cut, so it is really flattering looking. I could probably tone it down a little bit with maybe like a denim jacket. like a vest or just something to make it not so like in your face. However, I think for the summer it would be really pretty. So this is also Michael Stars, so I'm sure that it's not going to be cheap. It is $44. So actually that's not as bad as I was thinking it was going to be compared to the white shirt. So two more shirts that I am not really feeling, and I'm just being totally honest. I'm not feeling these. I think I can understand why they sent them to me because of the colors, but they're just not something that I would wear. So this first one right here is this lacy top, and I like that the sleeves are these cap sleeves? I don't even know. They're like longer sleeves, which I really like because I feel like are very flattering on my broader shoulders. It's a pretty shirt, honestly, but it comes with like one of those sheer tank tops under it, and I feel like that's a little bit outdated. Like that style is just, it's outdated, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know that I would wear that. I'm gonna try it on and show you. Maybe if it's like amazing, I might change my mind, but that's probably not something that I would be like, oh, look at this shirt, you know? So here's another one, and that is by Wantable, the brand Wantable. They have their own brand of clothing as well, and that shirt is $78. Okay, so that one is $78. And then this top right here is also by Wantable. It's also something that I would not normally gravitate to. I would be open to trying it on, but let's see how much it is. It's also $78. Is this something I would spend $78 on? No. Okay, so that is all the tops that they sent me. Now they sent me 2 pair of jeans, which I am so excited about. And I requested a pair of skinny jeans. So if I request something in particular, they also have a stream on their website, which I like to go through a lot before I know that I'm gonna be sent a box. And you can go through it and either request something or decline it. So if you decline it, you won't get it in your box. You won't see it in your box. So I'll go through there sometimes, decline a lot of things I don't like, and request some things that I do. So I did request some blue jean distressed skinny jeans, and I feel like they really came through with these. And I'm really excited to try them on because I have super high hopes. I want to keep them so bad because I need a pair of skinny jeans in my closet right now. These are by Vigos, and they are the Jagger Classic Fit Super Skinny Luxe Stretch, which I need luxe stretch. I need stretch in my jeans. So this is what they look like. They are a size 27, and they've got the distressing on the knee right here. And when I wear my distressed jeans, I don't want holes from like the crotch to the ankle. You know what I'm saying? I want a little bit of distress, but not too much. So that's perfect. And then the bottom is just normal hem, which I like. They're just perfect. So if they fit me, I'm keeping those for sure. And to be honest, if I can keep one thing out of the box, that is a total win for me. I'm a very picky person, so if they actually sent me something that I'm gonna keep, like that's a big deal for me. I'm willing to spend a little bit more for jeans. That's kind of how I roll because I will keep jeans for a long time, way longer than tops. Tops kind of like, they'll go in and out of style, but jeans, I keep them until, you know, I would say rip a hole in them, but they've already got holes in them. So until they don't fit anymore, or they're just really crappy, but a nice pair of jeans will last you a long time. And they are $74. So I would pay that for my pair of jeans. That's actually not that bad. I can't believe that a pair of jeans is the same price as some of those shirts. That's just like insane. And then they also sent me this black pair of jeans. This is by Articles of Society. I really like a good black pair of jeans. It's almost kind of like wearing leggings, but a little bit classier in my opinion. So I'm wearing black leggings all the time. If I can get away with some black jeans like on a dinner date or pretty much anytime, I feel like you can wear black jeans all year round. They've also got some distressing on the knees, which I like. I pretty much always wear my clothes with, or my jeans with some distress to them. So these are $68, and that is a really good price. So both of these jeans I feel like are a wonderful price. I would pay that for either one of them. The shirts, I don't know. But we're gonna try on these outfits, and I'm gonna let you guys let me know what you think about them, because in my previous videos, let me tell you, people would let me know what they thought about these outfits. So I'm excited to try these on, and let's do this. All right, so here is the expensive Michael Stars white top. I love it. I didn't want to love it, but I really do. I love the cutouts. It's just like a t-shirt that I would wear every day because I'm a stay-at-home mom. So I wear t-shirts a lot, but it gives it a little bit of detail right here and makes it look just a little bit different than a usual white t-shirt. And then I just front tucked it right here, and I have it on with these jeans. I love these jeans so much. Like, these are everything that I wanted them to send me and more. So I'm so excited about these. So this is that white lace top that I said I really didn't like. I still don't really love it. It's not terrible. I just don't think it's something that I would reach for in my closet. I wouldn't get much wear out of it. It would be like a one-time thing maybe, but honestly, I'm just not crazy about it. I think mainly it's kind of like the length. It's a little bit short for me. I have a really long torso. I mean, I guess it's not too bad. I just feel like where it hits is not very flattering. And also, the sleeves ended up not looking that flattering. This whole thing, I'm just not crazy about it. It's not terrible. Like, I'm not just gonna stand here and completely bash it. It might be for somebody else, but for my body type, I just don't think that it's very flattering. Okay, so here is the pink top that I have on. It's okay. There's nothing really special about it. I don't know, like, that it's really flattering. I don't know. It's like a basic pink tank top. So in my opinion, that's not really worth $44. It's nothing like hugely special, but you guys let me know what you think. So now I have on the black shirt, and I'm going to tilt the camera down so I can show you guys. Honestly, I don't feel like these sideways stripes are really doing much for this area that's already big enough. And then as we go down, like, it's okay. It's really not the most flattering top, and I feel like it's probably not $40 worth it. So, but I'm going to show you the jeans that I have on. I have on the black jeans, and I love them. So I'm keeping these jeans and the other jeans. So that's a huge win in my book. This is what the shirt looks like. It is just not flattering. I feel like the stripes make me look a whole lot bigger than I actually am. I don't know. It's just not doing much for me. But the jeans, on the other hand, I love these. I love the distress on the knee. They're also a little bit frayed at the bottom. They're very stretchy, very comfy. So yeah, I will be keeping the jeans, but not the shirt. All right, so that was my try on of my Wantable box. And yes, I left this shirt out because I could not, for the life of me, get my shoulders into it. It does not have much stretch to it. It even has a zipper on the side because they obviously knew it was gonna be a little bit hard to get into, but my shoulders are bigger than the average human, so I couldn't get into this shirt. So what I take away from this box is that it's totally worth it because I'm getting a pair of jeans that I really needed and wanted, and I don't have to go out to the store and pick them out and try them on and drag my kids and lose my mind. So that was my Wantable try on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have been watching my channel since the beginning, maybe it brought back some vibes from when you used to watch a long time ago. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about Wantable, let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to answer them for you. I will also have the link in the description box below. That way you can click on the link and order a box for yourself and try it out at home and see how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all in the next video.